Install a hard drive in an external enclosure. Intro. Install a hard drive in an external enclosure. Step 1. Removing the drive tray. Step 2. Removing the tray from the enclosure. Step 3. Install the hard drive in the tray. Step 4. Lay the hard drive in the tray. Step 5. Insert the hard drive tray back into the enclosure. Related. Now the step 1. Install an hard drive in an external enclosure. Have an old hard drive laying around? Did you know that you can still use it even though all your cases drive bays are full? Turn it into an external hard drive. These are greater for backup your files. Have a second operating system to boot to or just for more storage. You will need an external hard drive enclosure. I'm using Rocketfish IDE enclosure. Make sure your enclosure is boot for the hard drive you will be installing. IDE or SATA. In this example, I'm using IDE. Installing would be the same for a SATA drive. The drive you are installing, I am using an IDE Western Digital 320 GP Carrier Blue Execute drive. Step 1. Removing the drive tray. We first need to remove the tray that the hard drive will sit it when inside the enclosure. To do this, find the screw that lock the tray to the enclosure itself. The two screws for the mine were found on the back. You can see in the picture. Make sure you leave these screws in a safe place. Caution: if you are using a magnet to contain your screws, make sure it does not get too close to the hard drive. Now the step 2. Once all screws are out, carefully slide the tray out of the enclosure. If the tray tugs a bit, you have not removed all the screws. You can see in the picture. Now step 3. Install the hard drive in the tray. Now simply connect the hard drive to the matching plugs in the tray. Make sure the hard drive jumper setting or corrected for what you will be using the drive for. Step 4. Lay the hard drive in the tray. Simply tuck the hard drive in the tray. Make sure everything is flush level with each other. You can see in the picture. And now the step 5. Insert the hard drive tray back into the enclosure. Now it's time to finally slide the drive bay back into the enclosure. Again, if any tugs or pushes against one another, do not force the tray into the enclosure. Rescrew in the screws. Connect this to your computer and to power, and you have yourself an external hard drive like in the picture. Thank you for watching.